What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you a really quick unboxing and first impressions video of the new Adam Audio T7V monitor speakers. So these are active studio reference monitors. They're supposed to have a nice flat sound signature, so that way you get an accurate reproduction of the original source material. I've been hearing great things about Adam Audio over the years, but this is the first time that I'm actually getting them here in the lab to give them a full test, so that way we can see what they really sound like and how they really work when either you're using these with DJ equipment or when you're producing tracks at home or in your studio with the Adam Audio T7V. They also have a lot of different models of monitors available on their website that you guys can go and check out, but these are their middle of the range, the T7Vs, and we have first up at the top is your power cable, some of this packaging, and the next thing you get is a welcome card from Adam Audio thanking you for your purchase. You have your 7-inch drivers here, and you also have a new cool style looking flat tweeter that they have. We'll go into that when we get to the full review. There is 2 amps inside of here, one for the woofer and one for the tweeter. And now looks like all we have left is the monitor itself. All right. The T7Vs have arrived here in the DJBooth.net lab, and the construction is solid. These have a nice weight to them. You have your 7-inch woofer on the bottom, your flat style tweeter at the top for good dispersion. Around the back, you have your RCA and an XLR input. Then you have your low frequency cutoffs and your high frequency cutoffs, along with your volume level knob and your power cable plugs here. You do have the port for your bass in the rear, so that way you're gonna have to make sure you have a little bit of space on your desk or on the table that you're using away from the wall, so that way that bass port is nice and open, so that way you can have the air going out. So we'll have a lot more for you guys when we do the full review on the T7Vs. So make sure you guys put the thumbs up if you like videos like this one. Make sure you subscribe so that way you know when all of our new reviews and unboxing videos are coming out. And as always, thanks for watching.